Hey everyone, exciting news! The Nothing Phone 3 is on the way, and believe me, this isn't just your typical yearly refresh. It's bringing a whole new energy with it. Packed with some seriously smart features, it might just make your current phone feel a little outdated. Let's take a look at the top 5 standout features that make the Nothing Phone 3 truly different. First up, we've got a smart eye-driven home screen. Just picture this. You wake up and without even touching your phone, it already shows the weather, your first meeting, and even your flight info if you're traveling. That's what the new home screen is all about. It learns your daily routine and gives you what you need, before you even search for it. It's like your phone becomes your personal assistant, and thankfully, without all the awkward small talk. Next is the AI voice assistant, but this one's got something extra, personality. Whether you're in the mood for a bubbly, upbeat assistant or a calm and focused guide, this voice AI changes based on how you like to interact. And yes, you can customize the tone and vibe too. It's like having a voice companion that really gets your style. Third, let's talk about the camera, and it's not just any camera, it's AI enhanced to deliver perfect shots every time. Think about this. Take a picture and remove unwanted people or objects instantly. That's the magic eraser. Shooting a video? Auto-framing keeps your subject in focus even if they move around. And magic zoom? You can zoom in with no loss in clarity. Whether you're just capturing memories or creating content, this camera is made to impress. Coming in at number 4, real-time translation. If you're traveling or chatting with friends across the globe, this feature is a game changer. The Nothing Phone 3 can translate voice and text in real time. Just speak, and your phone handles the translation instantly. It's like carrying a personal interpreter with you everywhere. And finally, the glyph lights are back, but smarter than before. These lights now respond to your apps, messages, and even daily habits. Say your best friend texts you. The lights blink in a unique pattern. Your food's delivered? The lights let you know. It's a cool, quiet way your phone communicates with you. No need to even turn the screen on. So there it is. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't just another smartphone. It's your smart AI companion, from your lock screen to your camera, to how you communicate. Everything is designed to be more intuitive, more useful, and just more fun. It's launching in July 2025, and we're hyped to see how it shakes up the smartphone world. What do you think? Are you excited for the Nothing Phone 3? Drop your thoughts down in the comments.